Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Primaris Invictor tactical warsuit. Picked this model up from Element Games for £31, or you can find it on Games Workshop for £37.50. Let's get on with the unboxing. Let's just remove this packaging first. Let's take a little look at the box first. You can see on the back various gun options. You can see we have the incendium cannon, like a flamer heavy bolter, and a twin iron hell auto cannon. What's that on the top? Fragstorm grenade launcher. And the incendium cannon, already seen that. And some stubbers in the middle. As a pretty cool looking model. So let's see what's inside the box. Comes with 3 sprues. So you get 3 sprues, 1 base, which is, I believe that is 60, no, it's a 90mm, 60, it's a 90mm base. Comes with a transfer sheet. Ultramarines. And the instruction manual. And some rules on the back there. You can have a better look at the manual. Let's take a look at the sprues. Quite a lot of parts on this model, so I'm not sure how many. Doesn't say on the box. So there you can see the roll cage. So the body part. Some of the weapons on there, the stubbers, heavy stubbers. More armour parts. Some more parts of the roll cage. And the final sprue. Some more weapons. Got the Space Marine guy himself there. And got the incendium cannon right there. It looks absolutely beastly, that weapon. So that's everything in the box. Going to go ahead and build the model now, and we'll come back and take a better look at the rules and the weapons and everything, and take a better look at the model when it's built. So I'll see you in part 2. Ciao. Welcome back to part 2. So here it is. It's all built, finished and painted, as you can see. Just magnetise the weapons. So you get 2 options. With the kit you get the incendium cannon, which is this, which is like a flamethrower type thing, and the stats on that. So 12-inch range, heavy 2d6, so a potential 12 shots. That is strength 5, AP -1, and 1 damage. When resolving an attack with this weapon, do not make a hit roll, it automatically scores a hit. No, this one is the twin Iron Hell auto cannon, which has a 48-inch range, heavy 6, it's strength 7, AP -1, and 2 damage. And the thing with this kit is you only get one of these parts with the kit, so I had to pick up a second one on eBay to actually make both variations, which is a bit annoying. So yeah, I'll just magnetise those, and I have the option of both. Also magnetised the body for transport, makes it a lot easier. So take a look at the tactical warsuit stat line. So movement is 10 inches, weapon skill 3, ballistic skill 3, strength 7, toughness 6, wounds 13 wounds, 4 attacks, leadership 8, and 3+ arm save. And obviously movement, weapon skill and ballistic skill varies due to how many wounds it has left. So when it's down to 4 to 6 wounds, 8 inches movement, 4+ weapon skill and a 4+ ballistic skill, and 1 to 3 wounds left is 6 inches movement, and 5+ weapon skill and 5+ ballistic skill. Also some the abilities for this. So it has special rules. Angels of Death explodes. When this model is destroyed, roll 1d6 before removing it from play. On a 6 it explodes, and each unit within 6 inches suffers d6 mortal wounds. Concealed position. When you set up this model during deployment, it can be set up anywhere on the battlefield that is more than 9 inches away from the enemy deployment zone. And also heavy sidearm. Whilst this model is within 1 inch of any enemy units, its heavy bolter has a type characteristic of pistol 3. So that's pretty much everything for this unboxing. Hope you liked the video. Please leave a like if you did, and hopefully see you in another video soon. So peace out for now.